Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Stay tuned to the video because I will be having another giveaway. Of course! So make sure that you keep subscribing and watching all my videos because I will be having mini tiny giveaways at the end of the video. For this video, I will be having another giveaway and it's gonna be, of course, skincare products. And medyo excited ako for this one because, girl, yung mga ma-receive mong products, super nice siya. Tried and tested. Alam mo na maganda yung ma-receive mo. So, if you haven't joined yet, wala pa pala. Join. Okay, join. Stay tuned and watch till the end of the video. So, yung previous video ko, I did a product review about Lana PH. That's a skincare for intimate areas. But this next video should be a skincare for your actual skin, your face, that everyone can see whenever you go out. So, like, I have another product review of another local brand that I have here with me, and this is it. This is actually from Lana PH. So, parang sister company sila with the Lana PH. So, let's first talk about the brand, diba? Dapat alamin natin yung brand kasi alam natin yung mga The Ordinary, The Elephant, kung ano-ano pa lang, The Abnormal Beauty Company. There's a lot of skincare brands that are available out there, but they're actually internationally made. They're from abroad. So, in this time, especially in the pandemic, I feel like we have to support our own. Of course, you have to hashtag support local, and this is one way of to support our own people, support Filipino brands because, you know, we live in the Philippines. Kailangan nang iangat natin ang bansa natin. I'm gonna dive into Lana PH. So, Lana PH is actually, you know, as I said, local brand. It's an all-natural skincare brand. They have a zero-waste lifestyle. They're all-natural. They're non-comedogenic, which means parang specifically made yung mga products nila not to clog up your pores. Honestly, kailangan ko yun kasi alam nyo naman sa mga previous videos ko, madami talaga akong videos about my blackheads. Like, hindi siya nawawala. Lana PH is actually cruelty-free also, which is a plus. Medyo tinanggal ko na yung mga papers, mga shredded papers, and this is all of them. So let's first dive into their best sellers. Of course, I want to know what's the hype all about. Tinry out ko siya actually magwa 1 month na siya. So I tried it for about a month. This is the first product that I'm about to showcase to you guys. This is their Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. So as you can see guys, ang dami niya with 250 ml. Super dami niya. Given that the price is $770. So, okay, justifiable kung bakit madami nga sila magbigay kasi of course it's $770. So, what do cleansers do, diba? So, skin cleansers are supposed to remove your makeup, your oils, dirts, or any, like, kunyari may pollution ka, you went out, you come back home and you just want to take it all off. This is what you use, a skin cleanser. I like this because it's unscented and it's very mild, okay? Kung na-try nyo na yung Cetaphil, and it's like that, parang ganun na ganun talaga siya. Yung consistency niya, yung amoy niya. So, this contains oat protein, niacinamide, vitamin E, which is all essential to have a very glowing skin. Na-try ko na dati yung mga oats. Yung actual oats lang talaga, like oatmeal, but you don't cook them, you just soak them and then you put it. Yung oats talaga, it's one of the key ingredients to having small pores and it brightens your skin. And nung mga ginamit ko siya, natuwa ako kasi hindi siya drying. Kasi alam naman natin yung ibang facial wash or facial cleanser out there, they have the tendency to be drying. Kunyari, gumamit ka ng Pond's. After you wash them, you feels like your skin is about to crack. But the good thing about this is it retains your skin moisture. The only con I have about this is tinry ko yung maximum effect niya actually, and then I tried using it with makeup still on. I know that you're supposed to apply a makeup remover first, diba? I tried to wash my face with the gentle cleanser alone, and it didn't completely, you know, remove all of my makeup because this is mild. So I didn't expect it to actually remove all of my makeup. So I recommend you have to use a makeup remover first and then use the gentle cleanser just to double check if all of the dirt and oil and whatnot in your face is gone. So their next best seller is, it's called the DNA Repair Elixir. This is for intense repair, anti-pollution, and firming. Super like ko tong product na to and I've almost used out all of it. Tinitipid ko siya kasi it is a little bit pricey. Yun lang. As of now, it's 1,100 per bottle, but super worth it siya, guys. As in, sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you have to have one key product to maintain your skin firming, plus it has intense repair. When I say intense repair, I mean, parang lahat na talaga eh. As in, it targets dull, yung dark spots mo, your dry skin, malilesen yung breakouts mo. Na-feel ko talaga yung rough patches ng skin ko, rough areas, mafe-feel mo siya when you stop using this. So, I recommend that you use this so you know how smooth skin feels like. So, kung meron kang mga dark spots, it also helps to even it out. I tested it, I liked it. Super worth it siya. The next product I'm actually also a big fan of. This is their Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. Let me tell you guys, these two are the perfect combination. Sunblock, they're an essential in our skincare routine. Like, you can never leave the house without sunblock on. Maraming sunblock dyan, but yung price point niya, I think is super worth it. For 50 ml of SPF 80 PA, tas marami siyang plus. You only get this for 275 pesos. Kasi ang normally na makikita natin dyan, binibenta nila sa market is SPF 30, SPF 50, this is SPF 80. Tapos, when you see like there are a lot of plus sa tabi ng PA, mas extra protection yun. Yung key points niya is that it's not sticky at all. It's like cream-based talaga siya. And it smells so good. Medyo matapang yung amoy niya, pero I really love it. It's super feminine. And it also has a matte finish. Yung iba kasi, mafe-feel mo yung oil, diba? Whenever you apply it, mafe-feel mo na kagad parang oily or medyo sticky. Pero this one, it's not sticky. Moreover, it doesn't have a white cast. This one, it's brightening. Parang nilalighten niya yung appearance mo, but it doesn't leave you with a gray skin tone. Tip ko sa inyo guys, you can use this as your makeup primer because as I said, parang nang-absorb siya. Nawawala yung pores mo when you put this on. To the next product, I want to talk about this argan oil. Mali ako ng paggamit dito the first few weeks. I've been using this too recently. This is an argan oil. This one too is an argan oil. So I actually thought na okay, let me try this out on my hair. It's okay. It's fine. But iba talaga kapag ginamit mo ang argan oil for the hair. Because I checked this out like after 4 days of using it. This is made for the skin. This one is 100% pure argan oil. Made for the face. This one is for the hair. Yung difference kasi nila is yung for the hair is a little bit thicker, diba? It's thicker kasi it's supposed to go to your hair. And kapag na-apply mo siya sa face mo, you know, it's gonna be sticky. But this one is super lightweight. I would say that you can use this to your hair, but I would prefer it sa face kasi it's super light and it can help reduce hyperpigmentation and your scars. Just, I like to use this like overnight as well. After I apply the DNA Repair Elixir, I leave it overnight and then pag gising mo, mukhang glowing and smooth ang skin. Next one, I like to talk about this Lash and Brow Growth Serum. Dati, I made the mistake of applying lash extensions. So that actually left my lashes bald. Nakalbo ang lashes ko. Pero, to the rescue ang mga growth serums like this. If I am not mistaken, this has castor oil. It's really nice for growing your hair.
Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass in 7 jeans.
Last but not the least, meron tayong soaps. Charon! Actually, ito, naubos ko na kasi, alam mo yun, nawalan kami ng sabon. Kidding aside, I used this because I was excited about the results. This is the brightening soap. They have the activated charcoal and the age-defying one. So, I first use the brightening soap. It removes the dead skin cells. So, it's more prescribed to like use it with the scrub as well. Para talagang alam mong kinukuskusin mo yung mga dead skin cells mo. Tip ko lang, yung mga sabon like this, they tend to go out easily. So, madali lang siyang melt under water and whenever you're using using it. So, dapat, binibiyak mo sila into 3 pieces. Yun yung ginagawa ko whenever I get soaps like these ones. And isa pa, maganda din na marami silang active ingredients dahil yung nagpapa-remove ng dead skin cells mo. And then next, I have here the age-defying and activated charcoal. I have yet to use these both. Really excited, but I learned my lesson. I have to first divide it into 3 pieces. That way you actually get the most out of the product. This one is the age-defying one. It says that it also helps with, it reduces acne and of course blackheads, which oh my god, I'm excited to use this because you can also use this for the face. This one is the activated charcoal. It has active ingredients as well. It has charcoal, mulberry, and lemon. Okay guys, you've watched till the end of the video. Thank you for sticking with me, and now you're in the giveaway part. So the mechanics are the same as my first one. You have to subscribe to my channel, be active, you have to like this video, and also comment below why you would like to receive these products. And also, go follow me at kgelle, and also follow Lana PH on Instagram. I will be checking if you did these mechanics dahil importante to. Follow me on Instagram and also follow Lana PH on Instagram. Plus points if you stay active and engage on my Instagram and also on my YouTube channel. So I will be listing this down in the description box below so you can go check it out for, you know, a more clear, concise mechanics. Okay, that's officially all of everything that I have to say, and now I'm going to go watch New Girl on Netflix, girl. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Go do whatever you want. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.
My home, my home, my home, my home, my home, my home. My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps in the back and in the front. My loving got you.